will improve the page time. It will improve the page time. It will improve the page load time. So that is the intention of lazy loading. And this is what actually lazy loading is. Initially, you requested here. You can see only these will come. So categories, vendors, products related libraries not ready. It's not coming. And I click on products, then only products related module is added here. You can see at the bottom, now you have one more request, 9 requests are there. Products and vendors categories are not loaded. When I click on vendors, now we have 10 requests. That means vendors is loaded. That means when you request them, at the time they will load. That is the good approach. And in vendors, you can maintain a child path again, routing again. Internally, you can manage everything there. So this is the basic implementation of lazy loading, how we can configure and work. And this is the implementation of modular approach. That means how you can configure modules and develop the modules and use the modules. So that is one important thing you need to understand, right? That is the basic approach. Right? This is what lazy loading and how it works. Now, one more option you need to understand how authentications are handled in our application. Authentication is nothing but when I click any particular module, it should not be allowed to everyone. It should be allowed only to the people who signed in, who are authorized. So then we can prevent that by adding route guards. Route guards are used for preventing unauthorized access to this. Only users can access. But for that, you need a verification of the user login register with server-side technologies. How we can add the route guards and secure your application related routes, that we will see in tomorrow's session, right? Then tomorrow I can give you an overview of other advanced features, then you can easily handle them, right? Then I can give you one project, you can practice it, right? Tomorrow we will continue with this, right? Yeah. Right. Yes, Mukesh.
Actually, sir, I have just a small doubt. Like we use the router outlet to load the component, right? So can we have a multiple router outlet? Like suppose for suppose in real time application we develop a admin panel for any web application, right?
It will not be multiple router outlets. So it will be nested out routed outlets, right?
Okay. Means in the parent we have a router outlet, and once we load the child component, inside the child component we can have a router outlet,
Yes,
right?
already we done that, right?
Yes, right. All right.
One example we have seen that inside the child, how to use another router outlet, right?
All right. Thank you, sir.
So if time permits, we will see that, right? So because now your request will be keep on going on increasing. So you want this, you want that's the reason, right? So some standard topics we will discuss here. So, and if time permits, the additional things I will let you know. Because they are not just individual, so they are linked with so many third-party sources. You cannot simply implement them. You need a lot of integration. You need third-party libraries for them, right? Okay, fine. Then tomorrow we will continue same 8 o'clock, right? Yeah.